You wanted to create a YouTube channel but don't know where to start. You might be thinking, am I really prepared to make videos on YouTube? What do I need? How do I begin? If this is you, well, you're in luck because today I will be teaching you the step-by-step components that you need to prepare in order for you to start making profitable videos on YouTube. For the best tips and advice in having a successful YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're always updated whenever I upload a video every Tuesday and Friday. I've made mistakes in the past. I failed fast, I learned from it, and that allowed me to actually understand the specific things that I needed in order for me to gain momentum in YouTube. I only have 6 videos on YouTube and I was able to get 26,000 views and counting. Before we get into the equipments that you're gonna need, like video camera, lighting, mic, all those kind of stuff, there's one most important thing that you need to consider, and that is your niche. Maybe some of you might be thinking, I have a lot of interests. I want to do makeup. I want to sing. I want to draw. I want to be cooking. And you're just going to confuse everyone who lands on your YouTube channel. And now you're thinking, hey, why am I not getting views? Why don't I have subscribers? Well, guess what? They don't know why they want to subscribe to your channel. People have different interests and you cannot serve everybody. You want to be focused on one target audience. Yes, that's what you need to do. Ask yourself, who is my target audience? If you don't know how to answer that, maybe say, who do you want to serve? Who do you want to help? Who do you want to give value to? And that leads us to our next step, which is figuring out how to help your target audience. So this is key in order for you to gain more views and subscribers. So you need to minimize topics about you. People don't care about you. Your viewers are not interested in your day-to-day life. That's just the truth. They wanted to take a look at what value they get from you. They would be interested in your day-to-day life if they're your friends, they're your family, they're already your fans. But if you're just starting out in YouTube, then you need to stop focusing on you and focus on what your audience needs. So what you need to do is search and think of topics that your target audience are asking. What do they need help with? And this is what you call keywords. And these keywords are the things that you put on your description, on your tags, on your YouTube. This is going to help you be searchable on YouTube, therefore gaining more subscribers, gaining more views because they can see you now on YouTube. This is the key. Maybe you're thinking, why are they not watching my videos? Well, how can they find you if you're not providing value to them and they cannot search you? So look for those keywords, that's the key, and put them on your descriptions and tags. After you've done your research, prepare your presentation. We all love great presentations, like Steve Jobs. Or can you imagine your most boring teacher in class? Do you like that? Of course, nobody wants to watch someone so boring, right? It is like cooking a dish and just throwing in the ingredients, not minding what you're putting in there. And guess what? It's gonna be a disaster, just like your YouTube video. If you're not prepared, well, we're not gonna like that. This is key in order for you to sustain YouTube viewer retention, in order for them to watch your video from start to end. You have to prepare and write down the topics, not only the topics, but the bullet points of the most important parts of the video you're making. What are the things that your audience want to know? Go straight to the point. What they want to see in your YouTube video is not all the nonsense stuff. They want to know what value you would give them. How about you guys? What are the things that make you watch a YouTube video? And what are the things that you hate? That's why you just don't watch that kind of YouTube video. Comment down below. Treat this area as your learning ground. Learn from each other, and this is gonna help you grow your YouTube channel. All right, so you have written down your topics, you've prepared your presentation, the bullet points. Now is the time for you to prepare your equipment. As a new YouTuber, I don't want you to fall into the trap of, oh, I wanted a high-end camera. I cannot start my YouTube channel because I don't have a mic. I don't have light. All these kind of stuff are not the most important thing in starting a YouTube channel. Remember, in YouTube, your audience is not going to watch you because of your camera. They're going to watch you because of the value you give them. Now that we're on equipment, now is the time to use whatever you have. If you have your phone, please start making that first YouTube video with your phone. Don't overthink. I want you to think about your niche, okay? That's where you start. After you've broken all those down, start making your videos with your iPhone camera, with your laptop, okay? Just use that camera, okay? If you have any questions, leave that comment down below. I'd be very glad to help you. Now, I'm not saying that video quality is not important when making videos, but you gotta think about what would hook your audience before they even watch you, before they even hear you. Do you know? That is your thumbnail, your most catchy thumbnail. It is important for you to make thumbnails and titles as readable as possible. If you don't know much about graphic design, there are lots of free tools out there. Canva is a free tool that I also use to make catchy thumbnails. And if you want to try it out, it's free. I provided the link below. Just make sure to choose the right font. Don't overcrowd your thumbnail. You want to make it visually appealing and straight to the point. Avoid creating clickbait thumbnails, please. That's just gonna give you bad feedback, and you want to maintain that positive vibes, that positive feedback, most especially if you're just starting out. And please, even if you're not starting out, don't make clickbait thumbnails, please. You want to build your trust with your audience, and that is how you keep loyal subscribers and audience. Now I know this is a lot to remember, and I created a downloadable cheat sheet for you to use. Print it out, post it on your wall so that you're always reminded about the things that you need to prepare in order to start your YouTube channel as soon as possible. I know I have specified a lot of things in this video, so much value for starting your YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe, because on the next video, I will be talking about how to find that niche, how to find that target audience for you. And this is gonna help you jumpstart your YouTube. And I'll see you on that next video. More power. Have a great day.